Yeah, I'm genuinely quite excited about this one, as I'm sure the dogs are too. Right, but Scotland, this is what Scotland does. Right? A friend of mine has told me there's a place called Tremaine Hill where there's cup and ring stones, which I never even knew about. And this is what I love about Scotland. This is in Rathdale, but just outside Edinburgh, and I've never heard of these. And cup and stone are like apps. Stone and circle, cup and circle are a real thing for me. I love them because they're so mysterious. So, but a friend of a friend has told me that there's been some new ones discovered up here, so I'm going to go and check. And I only found out yesterday, and I've not had time to find out anymore. I've tried to research it, I can't find nothing. So I'm going to go up and have a wee look and see if there has been new ones discovered. Maybe could have picked a better route. That's quite tough. Doesn't look it, but it was actually quite tough. Dogs did not like it. This is a lot smarter. A lot smarter way. I should have cut the sides of the field. No. So I've never been here before, so it's going to be a little exploration and investigation. And look at that view. Let's go into the woods, see what we can find. Every stone you come to up here, you're like, yes, it could be something. Was there a carving on this? The thing is though, there's going to be rock all the way under here, all the way under here, and it's probably worth digging up. Okay, our first activity. Okay, so it's probably hard to make out, but look, there's a cut in here. There's like circular bits in here. I don't want to put water on them because apparently that's not good to come along and do that. Those circles, a line down here. Is that maybe pointing somewhere? Is that the River Forth? Who knows? So many speculations, so many theories. Now this is probably badger. No. This will be badgers. And I'm telling you what, I do not want them going down there because that'd be a scrap to the death. I think they're far too big to be... That's far too big to be rabbits. Come on. That could be... Oh, no. No. Don't you dare, because they'd go down there. That's what they're literally instincts. No, look, it's an actual compound. It could be rabbits, don't get me wrong, it could be rabbits. But I don't know why rabbits, mind you, that's quite small. Come here, this way. It's like Watership Down. It's actually like Watership Down, and I wouldn't want them going in there, there'd be carnage. See, so, cup, and then this is the ring. This is the ring here, and that's the ring. It's so hard to see it. You can almost see it there, look. You can just zoom in slightly. Look, you can just make it out in this light. That's much better. See that? You can just make it out. Okay, so this little site is the cup and ring stones. Now I would argue that, and you get used to keeping this, I would argue that they're all the way down around here, and if we just dug, we'd maybe find some, but there's no new ones, so that mission's a bust. I'll need to ask my friend and ask him exactly where, because maybe they're hidden somewhere or they've been covered up again just now till they reveal them exactly. But it's an amazing spot, and lesson learned, don't fly your drone in the woods. Stinging nettles everywhere. Are you? This is going to get overgrown with stinging nettles very soon. Okay, so we have found something. What was this? Stone structure. Is it ancient? Is it from the megalithic times? Is it from the hillfort times? Or is it just rocks collected from round about? Can't see any markings. What was this little enclosure? Was it like, did they have their fire there? Just where they cooked their meals too? Because it's so windy up here, you need somewhere to shelter. And that strange thing there, carved out. What does it mean? Oh! Ah! That's interesting. Has that been carved? I'd argue that's That's ancient. This does look surprisingly like an arrow. Look, indentation. That's pretty cool. Another one there. So look, what was that one? Saliva's okay. So yeah, definitely an arrow or a direction. I've often thought that these were maps. There's tons of them everywhere. And you wonder, like, just get digging up that turf. You can never tell if that's marks or not. Yeah, I'm not sure why I was coming up the field like an absolute fiend. I went and left them. I was literally back at the car, and you've seen the footage. Ah, just mental. Don't leave weeds in the woods.